Hello. So another vlog in lockdown. I'm here with Dallas, and this is the best angle ever. Um, hey pup. Hello. You alright? Today is Tuesday, the 16th of June, and it's just about 10 a.m. We've been up since about 7:30. Because I've been working. Chose to start early today rather than start. You're sitting on my head basically. She's like, get the fuck off my bed. So what am I rambling on about? Yeah, I've been working since about up at 7:30, and I've been working since about 8:30. I just wanted to come on here because this is such a bad angle. Tellus isn't in the mood for being recorded this morning. I have nothing to vlog, basically. I thought about doing a vlog at the weekend, but I've actually nothing to record, so there's no point of recording for the sake of it, which is basically what I'm doing now. But I do want to show you these, which just arrived. Now, I don't buy Converse anymore because they fall apart, I find, very quickly. But I was looking at ASOS last week and I saw these, and I genuinely think they're the coolest shoes ever, right? And I hope they look as cool here as they do in real life. Like, how cool are they? They're not tie-dye, they're like ombre. I love them. I absolutely love them. They look giant, but they're only a 4. I have trotters. They're so freaking, I love them. So that's the news. I am not going to be doing anything interesting today, as far as I know, other than working. So just thought I'd vlog a couple of minutes. Today's Tuesday, so Michael T is in the background. His glasses are coming off. I have to fix his glasses. So yeah, Dallas is over there having a little snooze. And I'm gonna go back to work now. Just wanted to show you my new cool Converse. So it's the next day. It's Wednesday the 17th of June, and this is another fantastic angle for me. How many chins can I fit in the video? It is currently 11:25 on Wednesday night. Dallas is here beside me. I'm wearing shorts. This isn't as X-rated as it looks. I am wearing shorts. But yeah, Dallas is here having a snoozy snooze. Today I was working and I brought the pup for a walk, and then we had dinner. We had spaghetti bolognese, and then did my alpha course, which I recorded like a teeny snippet of, and which, if you can't make out who anybody is, I will include a clip of here.
Even those that don't really find them anyway religious, or most people pray, and I suppose it's somewhere where we can take our fears or anxieties as a channel of where we can go with them. So the questions that we'll be looking at in the video, some of them are, if God knows our needs, why should we pray about them? You know, if he knows our needs already, and what is the value of prayer? So these are some of the questions that will come up in the video, and it's really, really good. So it's about 25 minutes, and then we'll go into our breakout rooms.
So yeah, that's kind of what's gone on today. Like I said in yesterday's snippet, there just isn't much to film this week, I guess. I don't want to be doing stuff just for the sake of it. So, although one thing I have been meaning to start, and you'll see it in the background over there, is I've got a 1,000 piece puzzle, which has been sitting there since before lockdown began. And I need to dig it out. There's some stuff in that corner I really need to sort. So yeah, maybe that'll be on the tomorrow list. Dallas is over it. Hi, you okay over there? She's a good girl. She's like, you will not shut up, so I'm heading off. I'm gonna go to bed now. My eyes are watering. She's so cute. So yeah, aside off here. So far, absolute vlog of nothing. I'm half an hour past my bedtime. See you tomorrow. So today is Saturday the 20th of June and if I look a bit red and flustered, what's new? Basically the house is a kip, it needs a complete clean. As you can see, there's just stuff everywhere. So I decided to make today a day where I'm going to give Dallas a mini groom. It's only a month since I last actually groomed her, but I took very little off. I used the longest blade. So she's burping in the background. So I've just washed her. I'll flip you around in a minute so you can see her, but I'm going to take it down one of these like things. I don't know what they're called. Blade protectors? I don't know. So I'm going to go down one than what I did the last time. So this is what she currently looks like. We've just gotten her out of the, wow, my hand's red. We've just gotten her out of the shower. And when I say we, I mean me. Neighbours are moving around, so she's extra barky, but you can see how fluffy she is. And that's after only just finished grooming Dallas. It took a bit longer this time. I gave her some longer breaks. I'm going to flip you around to show you how much fur came off her. So this is how much came off, and this is the finished look. Hi Dallas, you look so unimpressed. You good girl? You a bit sleepy now? Yeah? He's a good girl, hey? You good girl. Oh, so good. So good. You good girl. We're getting better at grooming, aren't we? Yeah, we are. You're so cute. You good girl. So today is Sunday 21st of June and I hope you can hear me because it's really windy. I've come up the Tipperary Hills with Dallas. She's never been here. No idea if she's in that shot or not with her new groom. She might be feeling the cold. I haven't been up here since I was like 17. I used to come like walk up here every day with my boyfriend when I was 17. We'd go to school and we'd have chats and stuff, and it's really weird being back here actually because loads of stuff, that big complex wasn't there. Tesco's over there was just it's weird being back here, but it's cool. There's nobody here also, which is great. So okay, hopefully you can hear some of that. I'm gonna get back to walking the pub. So we're back in the car. We had a very quick walk. I would say that couldn't be more than like 20-25 minutes, but it is quite hot. I've just realized why I haven't been back there since I was like 17. We went walking up the hills, up the main, it's the Tipperary Hills. We went walking up the like one of the two small hills that there are, and two young boys came up and were like, "That's a lovely dog," and I said, "Thanks," and they said, "Would you sell her?" And all of a sudden I realized, oh, I don't go there anymore.
So we left fairly speedily before my dog got stolen, and now we're heading home. Aren't we? Yeah, we are. You're quite warm. Daz has had a big drink. I have some water here for her, so she's taken care of. We're gonna head back now. Okay, see you later. We're doing the Great Irish Bake Off.
Yeah.
Me and Mammy are making a sponge. We've got our flour and our sugar and our butter and our vanilla and our milk and our eggs and our whisk. Alright, this is our sponge mixture about to go in. We'll see what happens. So we've just taken them out of the oven and this is what they look like. You can see the little holes where we've pierced to see if the knife will come out clean. But I'm going to leave them cool in their tins for 10 minutes and then let them cool further on a wire rack. So says the recipe, and we'll go from there. Alright, here's our finished cakes. Don't think they're burned. They're looking good to me, looking good to Mammy. So we're going to decorate them now. So we're just back from our evening walk and Dallas is falling asleep. Oh, sorry, I woke you up with my sighing. So normally Dallas will be asleep from about 6:30 onwards, but I have brought her for a walk at, if you can see the clock, it's 8:25, to try and tire her out so she'll be ready for bed, because she's been having some issues with bedtime these days. She's just kind of wired right before she goes to bed, so we're having a late night walk and now it's 8:30 and she is fallen asleep. We've only been in the door about 3 minutes, so sleepy dog.
And it says, am I getting anything here? Gosh, that's a huge piece.
We're gonna do a taste test.
I know.
Here's the cake.
Yeah. To make it look normal eating.
I hope it's cooked.
Not tearing it asunder.
I think that's lovely.
Mm-hmm. With the home ingredients, like, you know. Lovely.
Isn't that beautiful?
Lovely. There's a kind of a crunch in it as well, like.
It's currently 12:05 on what is now Monday morning, the 22nd of June. So I'm going to sign this vlog off here. I know very little happened most likely in it, but look, today we baked a lovely cake. Dallas got a lovely couple of walks, except for when people tried to buy her. In this week she's been groomed, she's got lots of walks, I got lots of work done. I'm still have as many eye bags as ever, but that's the reality of lockdown, I think, is not necessarily sleeping so great. Not a lot going on, but things can be overwhelming also. But also it gives you time to do stuff you wouldn't normally get to do, like baking or like trimming your dog's hair. It took me a really long time to think of that. I really need to go to bed. If anyone is watching, thank you for watching. If not, future Siobhan, thank you for watching. You're a star. Right, I'm gonna go to bed. Night night, happy 22nd of June.